Hi guys, so here our quick overview of IFOA CP2 April 2026 exam. So if I talk about paper 1, many students struggled actually with the large data that was provided. So large data modeling was one of the difficult tasks of CP2 paper 1, due to which exam became very lengthy and एक बहुत ज़्यादा structured Excel model की requirement थी, and the main issue where actually the students lost marks was because of time pressure. So model building and debugging was entirely time consuming, and many students who did not practice complete full length mocks, they actually could not complete both model and audit trail properly. And if I talk about paper 2, that was moderate difficult level, and although the time pressure is there in both paper 1 and paper 2, so if you have kept your model simple, if you have kept your model structured, and at the same time you have prioritized on audit trail rather than just focusing only on modeling, and while prioritizing on audit trail, you have made sure that strict time management is also practiced, so that at the end your model is also complete and your audit trail of what you have done in the model is also complete, then this had actually helped the student succeed. But if you chased for perfect model and if you chased on formatting, if you ignored audit trail, you will actually lose marks. So because the model was extremely lengthy, we can expect the pass marks to be between 55 to 60, but as you all are aware, there are multiple other factors on which the pass marks and the distribution is based. So plus minus 2 to 3 marks is deviation is expected. So the pro tip for students who are planning CP2 for upcoming September 2026 attempt is that you have to build simple models and at the same time focus on audit trail. Make sure that you are practicing under time conditions and repeat consistently. That's the main thing, that you have to make sure that you are practicing multiple questions with strict time management in the same style as exams get tested. So this video is for you to understand that how CP2 April 2026 exam was. Feel free, if you have attempted CP2 in April 2026, feel free to put your comments in the video with respect to how your exam experience was. The same thing, we have made it live on LinkedIn as well, so that attach the link for IFOA CP2 paper analysis on LinkedIn, so you can put your experience on LinkedIn as well. The link for LinkedIn is attached in the description box. So this is done for the entire actuarial community to understand that how CP2 paper was, and this will also help upcoming CP2 planners to understand that which are the key areas to focus upon. So help the community and feel free to put your comments and feedback on CP2 April 2026 exam. So stay tuned for more videos coming to your way. We will be coming up with different videos for different papers. So stay tuned and do not forget to like or subscribe our channel. Thank you. Happy learning.